After the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022, I decided to support the Ukrainian economy in a very small way by buying one of the kits from the Miniart manufacturer. It was based in Ukraine. This model is of the Soviet Divisional artillery from World War II, in which many Ukrainians served. The stamp that came on the box, of course, shows the famous takeover of the Ukrainian island by their own special services. The kit set is not an easy one. Artillery is normally easy on its own, but when you add in the horse team, you have limbers to build, and you also have the horse team itself, in this case 4 horses, harnessed together. And those harnesses all have to be scratch built. I used very thin plastic card for that, and I didn't use anything other than extra thin cement from Tamiya. The wheels, as you can see, are comprised of many parts, and that's not just the tyres, that's the wheels themselves. And of course the figures that are put together are in many parts, as well as the horses being multi-pieced. And so there is nothing simple about the build. Well, I'll let you view the construction. Thank you for watching.